Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a recipe for a vegan basic white sauce that you can use in a variety of recipes like vegan fettuccine or anything that calls for a dairy heavy cream. This is going to be a great substitute. So the only thing that you're going to need for this recipe is 1 cup of raw cashews in a bowl of water. You'll want to soak those cashews either overnight or in some really hot water for a couple of hours. I do prefer to use the raw cashew pieces just because I feel like it cuts down on the soaking time. Once you've added your cashews to the blender, you also want to just add some of the water a little bit at a time. Of course, you don't want it to come out too runny. So as you can see here, I got a really nice creamy consistency. And if you pour in too much water at one time, of course, you run the risk of it coming out really runny. Then you can't necessarily just add more cashews without soaking them, unless you have a high-powered blender. But if not, just take it easy, a little water at a time. Again, as you see, it's really creamy, and that is all that it took. It's very simple. Of course, when it comes to the other recipes I decide to use this with, at that point then I will add seasonings, but this is just the basics. From here, you can just pop a lid on it and put it in the refrigerator. I do prefer to make this recipe when I know that whatever I'm making during the week is going to call for it. That way it's not in my fridge longer than a week. If you are interested in adding other vegan staples to your fridge, be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.